Hey everyone, welcome to our session 9 of the Health and Wellness Coaching class with me, Jess. Well, we are in our session 9 already. What a journey, everyone. Session 9 is another one of my favorite topics of the whole course. Is called eating real food. Well, food for me is very important because I like to eat, I like to cook, and I know that only eating real food will help us to have better health. So you would ask me, what is real food? Well, real food are some of the food that's actually pure and fresh, and it's nothing to be messed by any food chemist or any scientist behind the scene or in the lab. Real food are food that comes from a farm or an ocean. For example, fish, seafood, and all kinds of fruit and vegetables, and any meat products coming out from a farm. Those are considered real food. So real food has so much benefit. Not only it gives us vitamins, fiber, it also gives us a lot of antioxidants. Now, antioxidants are something that is very important for our body. It comes from, a lot of berries, it comes from different colors, vegetable and fruit. What are antioxidants? Antioxidants are cannot be produced in our body, but we can take it from vegetables, fruit, or from supplement. In the next videos after our final video, I'm going to show you what is my favorite form of antioxidant. It's very convenient. I just put it in my purse. I take it once a day, and that helps to fight all the free radicals that's coming out from the oxidation process in our body. So stay tuned to that email at the end. Now, eating real food also requires some work, and for your family to love real food, you probably wanted to know how to cook them, because eating salad over and over, you could do that, but your family member might be get tired of it at the end. So my cooking class will be another solution that you can learn from. Inside this email, I'm going to put in the link to sign up for my cooking class if you haven't already. It's going to benefit you, your whole family. I'm going to be teaching you how to work with vegetable, how to work with meat, in particular the Asian style. That's what I've been cooking Asian food for almost 30 years. So my family love what I make. My kids love vegetable and fruit and meats because I make it delicious. That's what you have to do for your family, for them to keep on wanting to have real food, which benefit our body and give us so much nutrients, so much pure nutrients without any other additives. So inside this session, make sure that you do the meal scheduling session. Also print out the worksheet, fill it out, and also fill in the discussion forum online, and also take the mini quiz at the end. I will talk to you guys also in our next phone sessions. And if you have any question, as always, come talk to me, email me, text me, call me, or find me on social media. So I'm going to talk to you next time in session 10, which is our last session. How exciting is that? I can't imagine that we're already in session 9. Good work. I know there's a lot of hard work, a lot of time that you put in, but I am so happy you are here, because when you put in effort, it shows. And I'm so excited that you're actually implementing these skills and this knowledge into better your body and better your lifespan and your health span. So I will see you in the next session, session 10. Bye-bye.